Where is the water filter for the Amana model AFF2534FEW located? Everything tells me how to change IT, but nowhere does IT tell or show me where it is.
Can you guesstimate how old your Amana is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It was purchased at R. C. WILLY'S in 2009. The model number is and the serial number is.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes. I can change the filter if I can locate where IT goes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. This model actually doesn't have a filter. Some other versions of this model with a water dispenser have a filter, which is why the manual goes over it, but your model just has an ice maker and no water dispenser, so there is no filter. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay, now what should I look for? My ice maker just quit making ice and the manual said the water filter could possibly be clogged. Since I have no filter, what should I try next?
Probably the best thing to do is determine if the ice maker isn't cycling and calling for water, or if water isn't actually making it to the refrigerator. First, make sure the freezer is below 10 degrees because the ice maker will not cycle if the temperature in the freezer is over 10 degrees. Next, fill up the ice maker with a cup of water and wait 24 hours to see if it cycles and dumps the ice. If it doesn't cycle, replace the ice maker because it's just bad. If it cycles but doesn't fill up with water, check the fill tube behind the ice maker, and if it's frozen solid, use a hair dryer and thaw it out. You can also make sure it's not frozen by disconnect the water line coming from the ice maker and going to the valve at the valve. Blow through the water line to make sure it's clear. If it's not frozen, you'll need to replace the electronic water valve on the back of the refrigerator where your water supply line from your house connects to your refrigerator itself. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.